many a time, many mothers used to complain us like family is not convinced to subscribe the course, and they are saying like why it is needed now. Right now baby is in the womb, they are not in a position to see the development right now, and that is why they are denying. That is fine, that is their perception. But over here we need to understand one thing. Let me give you a simple example. Whenever we are sowing any seed in the soil, at that time we are going to nurture the seed by water and fertilizer, right? Can't we do something like that? Let the seed grow, let it become tree, and then we are going to pour it with the water and fertilizer. Can't we do that? No, because whenever we are like sowing the seed, at that time whatever care has to be taken care, that is to be done at that time. That is the right time. So whatever decision you wanted to make for your baby's development, that has to be done in a right time. Modern science says 80% brain development happens in the mother's womb. After the birth, up to the age of 15%, and then through after life, 5% development is happening. So choice is yours, whether you wanted to work upon 5% or you wanted to be smart parent to be, and wanted to work upon 80% and nurture the seed of your kid, of your child in the womb. Because investing in the womb is the wise decision, because 80% of your baby's development is depending on that. Whatever seeds you are sowing, on that basis belief system if a baby is gonna develop, and on that basis later on whatever you wanted to build up on the stronger base, on the stronger belief system, you can develop. Just have a thought on that.
जॉयफुल और पॉजिटिव प्रेगनेंसी के लिए आज ही ज्वाइन करें गर्भ संस्कार गुरु।